Hey YouTube, for this next video series we are going to propagate some succulents. This is my wife's passion project. She really likes succulents and I thought I would help out. She is helping me film right now and we're gonna start looking at a few of these things we've got. This is the soil she likes to use. It's from Home Depot. I think it's widely available. I was doing a little bit of research and Reddit was saying you can go to a mushroom farm and they will be gladly to give you some of their used soil, which will still be very good for succulents because they don't need as much nutrients as mushrooms. Here are some compostable cups with a little tray, a little chair to sit on that we got from Daiso. Those are, it's a pretty popular chain here in California. I don't know how widely available they are wherever you guys are. And over here, we have the succulent plant we're going to work on. It's from Lowe's, the clearance section, because our plan is to kind of get these for a good deal and then repot them. The plan is to use these little water controllers in the bottom here, and here's a few other tools that we have. This pretty normal spray bottle, water spout, trowel, shovel, and gloves. I ended up doing 3 of these. Now I'm going to gently take these out and put it in here. My wife said to kind of gently roll it out a little bit, trying not to damage the roots. We are at my parents' house. We currently live at home still. We're living with them until the house is ready to move in. My dad, luckily, also enjoys working on succulents. So we are going to take a few of these. We're gonna take a few of these and try to propagate them at the house. We have taken quite a few, and the plan is to not buy all of them. We are planning on buying some of the ones on Lowe's clearance, but luckily you can get some for free at home. Here's an update on our plants. We got the little leaves that fell out of a few of them planted in there. The outside ones, we have these. These are the ones from Lowe's. These are kind of the ones we've been stealing from my parents. This is our potting bench and succulent setup. We got a few new plants from my parents. We are going to put all of those down here. And this soil is this one. Got it at the 99-cent store. Once these start scabbing and growing roots, we will use this one. That's heavy. We are in downtown LA Flower District. We picked up a few succulents. This is the current haul, and yeah, let's go back and plant them. We are back from our winter ski vacation, so that's why I wasn't able to film, edit, and upload a video for this week. But I do have this ongoing succulent growing, propagating, a little bit of gardening video that I started a while back and never knew when to end it. But we are very happy with where the succulents are, so I'm going to finish this video. This is Bob Cullett's potting bench. I'll try to hyperlink that. I actually don't know how to do that yet, so that will be the new skill that I try to learn for this video. Here are all the props. Over here is where we have most of our succulents. These are C-by Designs tiered plant shelves. I'm going to show you guys where we are currently at. I don't think we're making too many changes anytime soon. Once they grow a little bit, I will film a new video of where our future garden will look like. My wife is the one that made all the signs with her Cricut. We love our plants. They're super cute. On the bottom there are some herbs that we are starting, and hopefully in the future we'll get some raised garden beds. 15th video done.